Hello viewers, I am Rakib. In this lesson, I will show you how you can use color range command to remove background from this kind of complex images very easily. Basically how color range works is you have to pick one or more colors from the background and it will remove those colors as well as the different shades of closely related colors. So let's see how it works. First, we will add another image as the background. Now, selecting this layer, we will add a layer mask and we'll double click here and select color range. You will see this box. In this preview, you may see some sort of result because of the previously selected color. Don't get confused seeing that. What we have to do here is we have to check this localized color clusters if not checked, and we'll also check invert. You can see it's currently in selection view. We have to change it to image view. Sometimes you may need to see it in selection view as well to see the selections. We will pick the colors from here. We will select this dark green color of the background. We can do it from here as well. As you can see, when I clicked it, this color of the background is removed as well as some similar color shades are removed. And if I increase the fuzziness, then it will cover more areas. But we have to be careful about the foreground so that we don't miss important details of the foreground. We can adjust the range from this slider. So after getting a pretty good result, you will see some remaining areas of the background. To fix this, we will select this plus eyedropper and we'll click on those areas. When selecting and removing the remaining parts of the background, if you see it's affecting the foreground significantly, then you have to undo that change and select a different area. Let's adjust fuzziness from here. From the selection view, we can get a better view of which areas are already selected and which areas are not. So in this way, after selecting all the areas and adjusting fuzziness and range, we will click OK. So this is the change. And when applying color range, you can also edit it later as it's in the layer mask. We will see the application of this color range in another image. Here we will only see the result quickly. So Here is the result. I missed this area. If we clicked here, then it would look better. So in this way, using color range, you can erase the background of this kind of critical images. So that's all. If you like this video, then you can give a thumbs up and share it. And for more videos, you can subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.